this one's for you. Here I am at the DoubleTree in Skokie, Illinois. Walking from the lobby over to the elevators. Lots of meeting rooms down this hallway. Go around this corner. Up a few stairs. And here we are at the elevators. Oh, they're both here at the first floor. And here we go. Here's our elevator. I am on the 4th floor, the Hilton Honors Club floor. It's a very basic elevator. We'll do a quick cab view. Nice and clean. Not too shabby. Nothing on the sill here. Just a pretty basic elevator. We're up on the 4th floor. And yes, we are on the Hilton Honors. We walk down just a few feet. To my room for the night. There we go. And we'll do a room tour. I also happen to get a handicap room for tonight. And you'll notice a few of the features that make it a handicap room. Let's turn on a few lights here. There's a little light. There we go. Nice big king-size bed, desk, chair, lamps, television, back to the door, more room with the bed, and we have a very large bathroom. You can see the safety bars, sink, very large, bathtub with all the ADA compliant handrails, and you'll note that the light switches are also set quite a bit lower than is considered normal. So that's it. That's my room tonight at the DoubleTree in Skokie, Illinois.